In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Klarna spending limit, so you know exactly how much you can use when shopping. First, it's important to know that Klarna doesn't use the term spending limit. Instead, they refer to it as purchase power, which represents your overall spending ability on the app. To check this, open the Klarna app and tap on the Use section. At the top left, you'll see Purchase Power. Click on it, and your available purchase power will be displayed on the screen. Keep in mind that in some locations, like Australia, this feature may not be available. But if it's visible in your area, you can easily see your overall limit. If you want to check how much you can spend per order in store, there's a simple way to do that. Open the app and tap the Wallet tab at the bottom. Select any retailer from the list, even if you don't plan on buying anything. Then click on Create Digital Card and try entering a high amount, like $2,000. If the amount exceeds your maximum per order limit, the app will show an error message indicating the highest amount you can spend at that store. This shows your in-store per order limit, which is useful if you're planning a larger purchase. To check your online per order limit, the process is similar. Open the Klarna app and go to the Shop tab. Choose a retailer or search for one that sells higher-priced items. Add products to your cart until you reach a large total, for example $2,000, and proceed to the checkout page. Tap on the Pay with Klarna button. If the app doesn't automatically pick up the cart total, enter the amount manually. If it exceeds your online per order limit, Klarna will display an error message showing the maximum amount you can spend online. By following these steps, you can easily check your Klarna purchase power and both your in-store and online per order limits.